Alexa, 10 times 20 times 30 times 40.
10 times 20 times 30 times 40 is 240,000.
Alexa, what time now in Riyadh?
In Riyadh, it's 10:07 a.m.
Alexa, thank you.
You're welcome.
Alexa, 1 million times 27 billion.
Sorry, I didn't get that. 1 million times what?
27 billion.
1 million times 27 billion is 27,000 trillion.
Alexa, 10 times 20 times 30 times 40.
10 times 20 times 30 times 40 is 240,000.
Alexa, thank you.
Anytime. Have a good morning.
Alexa, tell me about corona pandemic.
On December 31, 2019, it was reported that a new coronavirus strain, COVID-19, was identified by Chinese researchers in connection with a pneumonia-like illness based in Wuhan City, China. On March 11, 2020, due to the global spread of the virus, the World Health Organization officially declared it a pandemic. As of May 10, there are over 4 million confirmed cases worldwide. For local information, just say, call the coronavirus helpline. Or, if you would like to donate to the World Health Organization's COVID-19 relief effort, just say make a donation to the World Health Organization.
Alexa, tell me about corona confirmed cases in Saudi Arabia.
According to Reuters, as of May 10, 2020, there have been 39,048 cases confirmed of the novel coronavirus in Saudi Arabia. Additionally, There have been 246 deaths and 10,144 recoveries confirmed due to the novel coronavirus in Saudi Arabia.
Alexa, thank you.
Anytime.